Friends, on the previous turn, we have done few questions of miscellaneous exercise of determinants. So today we will do some more questions of this exercise. This is the 11th question. Using properties of determinants, prove that determinant alpha, alpha square, beta plus gamma, beta, beta square, gamma plus alpha, gamma, gamma square, alpha plus beta equal beta minus gamma, gamma minus alpha, alpha minus beta multiplied by alpha plus beta plus gamma. ये रिलेशनशिप हमको प्रूव करनी है. So we can have the operation C3 is changed to C3 plus C1 to get the terms of this type alpha plus beta plus gamma. So operate C3 changes to C3 plus C1. We get in the third column alpha plus beta plus gamma. Remaining two columns will remain as such. Now we can take this alpha plus beta plus gamma common from the third column, and after taking it common we are left with 1 1 1 in the third column. Now we can make two ones equal to 0, and we will do R2 is changed to R2 minus R1 and R3 is changed to R3 minus R1. So when we will do this operation, here this second row changes to beta minus alpha, beta square minus alpha square and 0. First row remains as such, and third row becomes gamma minus alpha, gamma square minus alpha square and 0. This beta square minus alpha square can be factorized as beta minus alpha, beta plus alpha. Similarly, gamma square minus alpha square can be factorized. Now, we can expand it by the third column. When you expand it by the third column, you are having this expression beta minus alpha and beta square minus alpha square, this gamma minus alpha, gamma square minus alpha square. After factorizing it, we can have beta minus alpha common from the first row and gamma minus alpha common from the second row. And then we are left with 1 beta plus alpha, 1 gamma plus alpha within this determinant. Now we can evaluate this determinant. So we get gamma plus alpha minus beta minus alpha, that is alpha gets cancelled and we are left with gamma minus beta, and this is the our right hand side which is required to be proved. The next question is, we have to prove this relationship between this determinant and this expression. Now here in this determinant, this third column can be splitted into two determinants. We have a property that if some or all the elements of a row or column, they are expressed as the sum of two or more terms, then the determinant can be splitted accordingly. So we will write this as x determinant x square 1, y square 1, z square 1 plus xyz x square y square z square and px cube plus py cube plus pz cube. This third column has been splitted. Now let us denote this first determinant by delta 1 and second determinant by delta 2. Now we will first start with this delta 2. Here in this delta 2, we can have x, y and z common from first row, second row and third row. Then after taking this common, and p can also be taken common from third column. So we are left with 1x, x square, 1y, y square, 1z, z square in this determinant. Then we can interchange the columns. C1 and C3 can be interchanged. Then when we interchange the two columns, the sign of determinant changes. So we have minus pxyz determinant x square, y square, z square, xyz and 1 1 1. Again we have to change these two columns C1 and C2, and again the sign of determinant changes, minus times, so minus minus becomes plus, and we have p x y z, x x square 1, y y square 1, and z z square 1. And this is what? This is the first determinant delta 1. So we can replace it by delta 1. So uh, putting this value of delta 2 in the left hand side, right hand side, sorry, we have delta 1 plus pxyz into delta 1. अब देखिए इस एक्सप्रेशन में यहाँ पर ये डेल्टा 1 था, ये डेल्टा 2, तो डेल्टा 2 को हमने लिख दिया है pxyz टाइम्स ऑफ डेल्टा 1. सो डेल्टा 1 कैन बी टेकन कॉमन फ्रॉम हियर. Delta 1 can be taken common, and we are left with 1 plus pxyz in the bracket. Now let us evaluate this delta 1. Delta 1 is and this determinant. So we will do this operation. R2 is changed to R2 minus R1, and R3 is changed to R3 minus R1 to make these two ones as 0. So when we do this operation, we will have in the second row y minus x, y square minus x square, and 0. In the third row we have z minus x, z square minus x square, and 0. Then we will expand it by the third column. So we will get 1 multiplied by determinant y minus x, y square minus x square, z minus x, and z square minus x square. These two terms can be factorized as y minus x, y plus x, and z minus x, z plus x. From the first row, take y minus x common. From the second row, take z minus x common. Then we are left with 1 y plus x, 1 z plus x within the determinant. Then evaluate this determinant, and after evaluating we get z minus y. So it becomes x minus y, z minus x, and take minus sign common, and from here also we have taken the minus sign common, and it becomes y minus z. So delta 1 is x minus y minus z, z minus x, and put it in the previous expression. 1 plus pxyz into delta 1 था, delta 1 का वैल्यू हमने यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी, और यही हमें राइट हैंड साइड पे प्रूव करना था. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू.